Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are planning to launch an online store in 2025, you have definitely heard of Shopify. But is it really the best website builder for online store this year? In this video, I will break down the Shopify as well, where it falls short and whether it is the right fit for your business. So first of all, let's talk about what actually is Shopify. So here you can see their brief description that Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you build your own online store, add products, accept payments, manage orders, and handle shipping all without needing any coding skills. It powers millions of stores worldwide, from small side hustler to huge brands. So it is trusted by beginners and big business alike. So now let's talk about what makes Shopify stand out. Let's search here and let's add what makes Shopify stands out. So here you will get to know something. Here overview, you will find out a couple of things. Like first one is super easy to use. Like the interface is clean. Like you can see their dashboard here. You can see how easy the interface is. The setup is guided step by step. The drag and drop store editor means anyone can build a beautiful store. No developer actually needed. Then they have professional themes. Like if you go over here and then you will find a theme options where you can see the tons of free premium templates that look modern and work great on mobile actually. Then the app store, here you can see, just click over here and you will get to see the app over here. Shopify app store. It is a dedicated app store with thousands of apps and integrations. So you can add new features to handle marketing, dropshipping, print on demand, subscriptions, and more without touching actual code. Then the payment option, if you go to the payment options, you will see this one. Just click to the setting and go to the payments. Here you can see Shopify payments makes it easy to accept credit cards, but you can connect PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. It is all built in. It's scalable. Like I can say, whether you are selling 5 products or 5,000, Shopify can handle it, so you don't outgrow it as you grow. Now let's talk about the downside. So of course no platform is perfect, so here's what you to keep in mind, like the cost. So if I go over here and just go to the pricing, you will see the cost. Shopify basic plan starts at around $25 per month if you pay monthly, and it costs only $19 if you pay yearly. It saves 25% of your money, and while that's fair for what you get, you will probably end up paying for extra apps too. Those can add up quickly. Then the transaction fee, here you can see card rates starting at 2%. So if you don't use Shopify payments, Shopify takes an extra cut off your every sale up to 2%. So keep that in mind. Then customizations limit. Shopify is easy for simple widgets, but if you want really custom design or advanced features, you might need to learn Shopify's coding language, liquid, or a higher developer. Then the apps overload. Sometimes features you would expect to get built in, like advanced shipping rates or custom checkout fields, require extra, so which again means extra cost. Now let's talk about, is it the best for 2025? So basically you can see full feature list here and you will find out that is it best or not. So if you are serious about selling products online, Shopify is still one of the best choice out there. It is beginner friendly, super reliable, and flexible enough to handle small shops or big brands. For dropshipping or international sales, Shopify is also hard to beat because of all the integrations and tools available. But if you mainly want a blog or simple business website which is simple and a small shop on the side, a platform like Squarespace or Wix might be the cheaper and easier for you. So there's you have it, my honest Shopify review for 2025. It is not the cheapest option, but if you want professional, scalable, one-in-one solution to sell online, Shopify is still a top pick. If you help you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video.